Lasagna science experiment gone wrong. So, a few weeks ago, my roommate Dave started labeling all his food in the fridge with "for science." Like, not just his leftovers, his yogurt, his bananas, even a jar of olives had a sticky note that said experimental use only. At first, I thought maybe he was trying to keep me from eating his stuff, but when I asked him, he just shrugged and said, "You wouldn't understand. It's for science." Naturally, this made me want to eat it more, because forbidden food always tastes better, but I decided instead to take a more scientific approach. I started leaving my own notes next to his, labeled peer review in progress and double-blind study initiated. Then, every day, I'd move his lasagna to a different shelf, occasionally rotating at 90 degrees, and take meticulous notes in a little notebook I left on the counter. Dave didn't say anything for a while, but I started catching him giving his lasagna suspicious glances, like maybe it was learning too much from the cheese drawer. Things escalated when I left a graph on the fridge tracking the observed decrease in lasagna mass over time. I even taped a fake consent form to the container, which Dave signed without reading, probably thinking it was for our Wi-Fi bill. The next morning, he cornered me and demanded to know what experiment I was running, and why his lasagna seemed to be disappearing faster every day. So I sat him down, whipped out my notebook, and presented my findings with all the seriousness of a TED Talk. After rigorous experimentation, I announced, I can now confirm my hypothesis: lasagna left alone is always tastier. Unfortunately, Dave, your lasagna never really stood a chance. Science demanded a bite.